Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara and this is The Johnson's Life. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Today is Saturday, March the 29th. You guys, can you believe it that March is gone? We only have 2 more days left in the month of March, and then we are going into a new month. We are going into a new month, you guys. So today, we did order Gucci another water bowl, and it came in this morning, and I will be showing you guys what it looks like. We have decided that we're not going to use the water out of the sink. We're going to buy him bottles of water, like the gallon jugs, and just use it for only his water bowl to see if it's just our water in the sink. And I'm pretty sure that it is just the water that's making it look like that. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys that. I've already unboxed it. I'm going to put it in this clip after I get done with this clip right here. So, and then you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get breakfast started. So we're going to have cinnamon rolls, sausage, eggs, and hash browns. So that is what we're having for breakfast on this good old Saturday. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. Also, I'm going to get a few things done around the house, and whatever we do during the day, I'm going to take you guys with us.
Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? I guess we'll see. Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? I guess we'll see. Cause I'm trying to find my place. And I heard a man once say, son, you gotta run your own race. And don't you ever stop. No, don't you ever stop. Am I ever gonna get there? I don't know if I will get there. No. Will I ever see the sun there? I guess we'll see. Cause I'm doing all I can, finding my goals and shaking hands, searching ways to try and make amends. And I ain't ever gonna stop. No, I ain't ever gonna stop. And I'm needing all your grace. Yeah, I'm stepping out in faith. Found the strength to keep running every day. And I ain't ever gonna stop. No, I ain't ever gonna stop. Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? I guess we'll see. Cause I'm trying to find my pace. And I heard a man once say, son, you gotta run your own race. And don't you ever stop. No, don't you ever stop. Like the sunrise rising, always there, always shining.